Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to compress PDF file size more than 200 MB online. So guys, I recommend you this website. I love pdf.com, and from here just simply go ahead and go for compress PDF over here, and after that just simply select PDF file and just simply select your 200 MB PDF file. And after that, you will have here multiple options of the compression level. You will have less quality but high compression. You can have good quality and good compression, or you can have high quality but less compression. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for good quality and good compression and click on compress PDF. And from here, just wait for it. As you can see, my file is 256 MB. And as you can see, once it is done, it will compress and just wait for another few minutes. And after that, as you can see, we have our 200 MB PDF to 84. And as you can see, we'll be able to save it right away. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!